Good morning students. Welcome to Atari's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Today we'll learn our next part of quality management, that is quality management. So let's see the quality management. Generally quality management is a building of quality into product. This was a very responsible and skilled craftsman because it's used to manufacture goods only on the receipts of order. So quality management is a concept of product quality drastically changed with changes in the method and technology used in production. So the concept of inspection has today grown into total quality management. So nowadays a product quality is checked by quality control department to protect the image of company by the removal of poor quality product. Even the image of company should be maintained good in eye of customers with the help of quality management. So quality management is very much essential in today's modern era. So let's see the quality management means what. Generally quality management is the act of overseeing all activities and tasks needed to maintain a desired level of excellence. Even it is include the determination of quality policy, creating and implementing quality planning and assurance. Even it control and quality improvement too. So it's required, TQM require that all stakeholder in a business work together to improve process, even product, service and culture of company itself. So in short, quality management has progress established proactive rather than the relative organization. So I think it's a very comprehensive concept. So it cover all aspects of our quality management. Even it evaluation help to evaluation of quality management like quality inspect with the help of quality inspection, quality control, quality assurance, total quality management, even ISO 9000 and ISO 14000 also standard also. So quality management is very much essential in today's era. It's help to improve quality of particular product. So let's see the definition of quality management. Totality of features and characteristics of a product and service that bear on its ability to satisfy a given need of customer. So that is the quality management, which have totality of features, characteristics of product and service that bear on ability to satisfy the need of consumer. So quality management included the certification, business, standardization, customer satisfaction services with the help of ISO 9000 and ISO 14000 standardization. So let's see the total quality management. Before we start total quality management, the total quality management is also a comprehensive concept because it is related only to the quality of product and service, means goods and services. So TQM is a preventing approach, not a corrective one. It's a preventing approach. So it's aim at producing best possible product and service through regular innovations by doing right thing right time. Okay, so the total quality management reflect the culture of an organization, which indicate the consumer oriented, quality oriented, even management philosophy too. So it's a philosophy for achieving customer satisfaction, which involves all means manager, employee and the users too. So it is a management by commitment and not management by control. So generally TQM encouraged the formation of quality circle. So let's see the definition of TQM, that is a process designed to focus on customer expectations, preventing problem, building commitment to quality in the workforce and promotion open decision making. So TQM is an ongoing process of detecting and reducing eliminating error. It's used for streamline supply chain management, improve customer services and ensure that employees are trained. So the focus is to improve the quality of an organization output, include goods and services through the continuous improvement of internal practices. So generally quality management aims to hold all parties involved in a production process for the overall quality of the final product. There are the principles of TQM. So see, here are the principles of TQM, that is customer focus, control, commitment, culture, continuous improvement and cooperation too. So let's see, the first one is customer focus, which is a very much important in our TQM, because according to Peter Drucker, the fundamental purpose of every business is to create customer. Yes, so most of the customers are specific about their expectations, like their product. Most of the customer want their product with reference their size, shape, color, strength, appearance, durability, etc. So product that fulfill the expectations of customer, yes, give satisfaction to them who come around for repeat purchase. This help to develop brand loyalty. So TQM ensure that the customers are given following above mentioned services, like to define customer expectations, to provide best quality and service at reasonable price. Even every manufacturing or management must know their customer well. It should help customer to do business with company. It counsel dissatisfied customer, take their opinions. Even it also win over a past customer. It motivates staff to provide best service to consumer, and it's help to improve the customer service, which is noticeable. So these all things are included in our customer focus. Continuous improvement included generally the elimination of those activities that add little or no value to product or services. Means it's include all types of human and non-human wastage are remove from here. So it's a continuous improvement which is achieved by determination of plant, using train employee, implement the different changes, even checking the progress and taking action to get finalized results. So it's also known as a continuous improvement. Again, it's next C's principle of TQM is cooperation. Yes, means it's help to involvement of our employee, because generally TQM is obtained by the top level management, but it is participated by every employee which is involved in this TQM process. So it is desirable to maintain various scheme of employee involvement. Their progress need to evaluate at every time interval. Some of the more common scheme are quality circle involved in this cooperation. So there are so many departments work in our manufacturing production department. So these production or these departments must have to maintain cooperation between them to complete the company's final objective. So cooperation is very much important. The next one is measurement of performance, also here important, because every employee are needed to come up expectations of management. So there must be a formal procedure to evaluate the personalities. Even employees are measured trait like a personality, initiative, regularity, loyalty, etc. So it should be included the product quality, health and safety of employees, performance appraisal, financial performance, customer satisfaction. So these kinds of things are included, the measurement of our performance, which is included in our culture, because culture of companies must be impacted on TQM. It involves the training and educations of every employee, because training is needed for developing overall personality of the employee. So the expenditure on training is an investment for manpower development, which give rich dividend to employee and organization for long run. So training make employee more knowledgeable, they reduce their errors, even improve their productivity. It's help to improve overall our employee. So it is most important in our manufacturing or in our company to maintain good quality culture with the given employees. Encourage and motivate with providing training for their upgradation of knowledge and skill, etc. So these are the principles of TQM. Even it included the commitment. Yes, its commitment included that cost quality commitments are given here. For that they are given cover all kinds of business costs incurred achieve best quality services. So they have to cover appraisal cost, per prevention cost, cost of lost opportunities, failure cost. So these costs are added to represent almost 20 to 30% of company's turnover. So by minimizing wastage, company can reduce cost and increase their quality. So it help to increase quality with the minimized wastage. So labor or unskilled worker such has given taken some excess time. So reducing this error, they are able to improve their performance. So these are the 6 C's or principles of TQM. Even it included remove human errors. That means defect in production take place because of some human error, which is indicate in the form of missing parts. So it is very much essential to remove these errors. And quality improvement terms, even it is keep production process faulty free. So all these things are very much essential in our TQM, that is total quality management. I hope you understand the process of quality management and total quality management, students. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.